Okay, the next watermelon DIY, I picked up these red placemats at Dollar Tree the other day. They're in with their summer section. And I thought these would be perfect to make into watermelon placemats for my table for summer. So I'm going to start by doing white around the edges. My plan here is to do 3 rows of white. Now, as you can see, it's like a spiral that comes from the center all the way to the outside. So you're not going to get like 3 rows like evenly all the way across. There will be a transition period where you kind of have to go in between the lines a little bit, but you can figure it out. It's not too hard. Now, I used a foam brush. I felt like it didn't get down into the fibers as much as I would want. So I did go back with a second coat of ivory with a brush so I could kind of like get it down in there a little bit more. And I think that helped. Now we're going to do the different shades of green for the outside of the watermelon. And so I'm going to start with leaf green, and I want like the second layer, second row to be this light green color. And so I just use a small brush and I go around. I went ahead and painted it all white so that I would have a nice background. So I wouldn't have to paint directly onto the red mat. And I'm just going to go all the way around with this. Now, you could skip this color of green if you wanted, and you could just do 1 row of white and then 1 row of dark green. I wanted mine to be a little bit more colorful, so I'm going to do 1 white, 1 leaf green, and 1 Christmas green. And I think these colors are perfect for watermelon. So the outer row of our little placemat, I'm just going to go in and paint it that Christmas green color. You don't have to tape off or anything like that. You can kind of feel the different layers, and it's not supposed to look perfect. Like a watermelon doesn't look perfect anyway, so you can kind of have fun with this. And I think these are going to look so cute on my table for summertime. I have like, I have a bee theme in there. But I did take down, my bee coffee bar because we switched it over to lemon. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do some fruit in my dining area in my kitchen. I'm going back with that Christmas green color and kind of making that outer green circle a little bit wider and the light green a little bit smaller. Now it's time for seeds. I want this to be durable, so I am going to use my paint pen. You could use vinyl for this as well, but I didn't know how well that would stick to this kind of material. So I am just trying to carefully figure out where my seeds would be because, again, it isn't a spiral pattern, so you can't, I guess you could if you wanted a spiral pattern of seeds, but I kind of want an even pattern. So I'm just going around the outside of my red part of my watermelon and just drawing little seeds on with my black paint pen. I'm just kind of estimating the distance between the seeds. And we have 1 row. I really wanted my watermelon seeds to only be on the outer parts of it. And so I'm going to do 1 more row. And this row, as you can see, I'm just alternating the seeds in between the row behind it. We have 2 rows of watermelon seeds, and that is all there is to it. Isn't that so cute? I think these placemats would be so cute for your home for summer, or if you're having a summer party or something like that. And I'm going to show you, they'd be really cute with a red plate. I have white plates, but they would still be super cute with a place setting because you can use the cute little watermelon napkins that they have at Dollar Tree as well. So I'm not going to only show you the placemat. I'm going to kind of show you what it looks like. This is how it looks with like one of my plates and one of those cute little watermelon napkins that I was talking about.